Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm the managing editor of Salon, and today we're going to talk about Valentine's Day, and I couldn't think of a more perfect person to come than the pastry chef, Meghan McGarry, who's from Buttercream Blondie. She's one of our top recipe contributors on site, and today she's going to show us how to make whoopie pies.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So tell us about this dessert.
We are going to do a twist on a classic dessert. We're doing red wine whoopie pies.
And that's what you're known for, right? Giving desserts makeovers.
Yes, or as I like to say, zhuzh 'em up. And I do that with liqueurs and spirits.
Like this red wine here.
Yeah, you know if I'm here, it's gonna be boozy. And as you can see, I have already baked the whoopie pies. Now it's time to move on to our filling, which we have mascarpone and heavy cream whipping in our mixer. Now we're gonna add our powdered sugar, a splash of vanilla extract, and last but certainly not least comes our red wine reduction. And let this whip until it comes to a stiff peak. Time to fill our piping bag, which I have fitted with a large star tip. You're gonna pipe this filling on the whoopie pie, starting around the edge. You are going to bring the piping bag towards the center and release the pressure. Top it with its other half and adhere gently. So it's time to decorate. We're gonna make a really simple ganache with some dark chocolate, light corn syrup, and some heavy cream. You're gonna spoon a dab of this on top of your whoopie pies. Help it around just a little bit, don't mess with it too much. We're gonna top it with some freeze-dried raspberries or a really fun sprinkle mix called High Maintenance. And that is your red wine whoopie pies. I hope you give them a try, and for the full recipe, head on over to buttercreamblondie.com. Happy Valentine's Day!